Welcome to our channel. 2K Kit Explorer. Today's Chrome extension update is Evernote Web Clipper. If you are browsing the web, looking for information and you have found something important which you want to save permanently, you can use Evernote Web Clipper to do that. In order to use this extension, you have to sign up Evernote first for free. Go to evernote.com. Select free plan. I signed up using Google account. Once you entered into the page, select the options for what, where and how questions. Now install the Evernote Web Clipper extension and pin it. Then open the page that you want in Chrome browser. Select the Evernote extension. You can see our required content is created and will be stored in your space at Evernote website.
If you like this, click like. Don't forget to subscribe for next update.